Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Sania and today we are going to make crochet lavenders. To make lavenders I'm using this yarn. This is Kartupo and its color number is K706. This color is perfect for lavenders and I'm using green from the Bonbon. I'm using 4mm crochet hook, it's my favorite hook, and we're gonna need these barbecue sticks. I will show you how to use it to make lavenders. We are going to make 3 lavenders. And we're gonna need a glue gun and glue stick. So let's start the video and let's make crochet lavenders together. I am making a magic loop to start with, and whenever I record the video I always wonder that why my hands are looking so dark in the video and my nails look so yellow. Never mind, it may be ring light. So let's start. I made a magic loop, then we will do the next procedure. Okay, I'm going to make 40 chains here. After making 40 chains, I am going to make a double crochet in the 4th chain. So I skip 3 chains and then in the 4th chain I have made double crochet, 3 double crochet. Okay, it's done. Now in the next chain I'm going to make 1 double crochet, then 3 chains and a slip knot on the top of double crochet chain. You may slow down the video here to watch this step again. Double crochet, 3 chains, a slip knot in the top of double crochet chain. See, this is very easy. Double crochet, 3 chains and a slip knot on the top of double crochet chain. That's all. Okay, so what I did, I made 40 chains, then 3 double crochet in the 4th chain, and after that I have made double crochet in every chain, 3 chains after that, and slip knot on the top of that double crochet chain. That's how I will make the complete row. Okay, so now we have a complete row and first step is done. Now we will work with the green. I'm starting with the magic loop, then I am going to make 15 chains here. Okay, I skip first chain and in the second chain I have made single crochet again in the next chain and 1 more single crochet. Now I'm going to make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet in the next chain. That's how we will complete it, and I will come back after this row. We have a completed green part. Step 2 is done. Okay, now let's make a lavender. by using the stick food stick and glue gun. Just watch it. This is so satisfying. It's done. This is so cute, very easy. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I have made 3 lavenders, so I will show you how to make a bouquet out of it. In the next video, I will show you how to wrap it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. It will be helpful. Just comment bouquet if you want the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.